Welcome to Wealth Master. Today, we're exploring a life-changing roadmap to financial freedom, The Simple Path to Wealth, based on J.L. Collins's groundbreaking book. Imagine a life where your wealth works for you, effortlessly covering your expenses and freeing you from the 9-to-5 grind. Collins's approach to financial independence is refreshingly simple, yet incredibly effective. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this guide provides everything you need to take control of your finances, build lasting wealth, and achieve financial independence. The journey starts with understanding the true purpose of money. Money, as Collins says, is about freedom. It's the means to live life on your terms, free from financial stress. And the path to achieve this freedom is grounded in 3 principles: frugality, investing, and intentional living. Each of these principles plays a crucial role in building wealth, and Collins' insights make these strategies accessible to everyone. Let's start with the first principle: frugality. But before you think of frugality as deprivation, understand that it's not about cutting out everything enjoyable. Instead, frugality is about mindful spending, focusing on what truly matters and eliminating the unnecessary. It's the habit of living below your means, not by denying yourself, but by choosing quality and long-term value over short-term thrills. Collins suggests that by prioritizing needs over wants, you can save a significant portion of your income, which can then be invested to grow over time. Now on to investing, which Collins describes as the core engine of wealth building. His investment philosophy is simple yet powerful: prioritize low-cost index funds. Why index funds? Because history has shown that they outperform most actively managed funds over the long term. Index funds are designed to mirror the performance of an entire market or market segment, which means they're diversified, lower in risk, and come with minimal fees compared to actively managed funds. Collins recommends investing in broad market index funds, like the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSAX, which gives you exposure to the entire U.S. stock market. This fund is low-cost, easy to manage, and allows you to participate in the growth of the American economy with minimal effort. Another critical aspect of Collins' investment strategy is consistency. He advises investing regularly, regardless of market conditions. This approach is often called dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, no matter if the market is up or down. This strategy removes the emotion from investing and takes advantage of market dips, buying shares at lower prices when markets fall. Over time, this consistent investing compounds your wealth significantly, making market fluctuations work in your favor instead of against you. An important component of investing in index funds is understanding compound interest, often called the 8th wonder of the world. When you invest, your money starts generating returns, which are then reinvested, earning more returns. This cycle continues to build on itself, growing your wealth exponentially over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes, so Collins encourages starting as soon as possible. Even small amounts can grow into significant wealth over decades. The third principle, intentional living, is about aligning your spending and investment decisions with your core values. This means reflecting on what truly brings happiness and fulfillment, avoiding unnecessary spending on things that don't add value to your life. Collins calls this avoiding the traps of consumerism, which is essentially a reminder that true wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, security, and the ability to focus on things that genuinely enrich your life. When you live with intention, your financial decisions align with what matters to you most, giving you a sense of purpose and clarity on the path to financial freedom. As we move further into Collins' roadmap to wealth, it's essential to address one of the biggest obstacles people face: debt. Debt is one of the primary barriers to financial independence, and understanding how to eliminate and avoid it is crucial. Debt drains resources, restricts financial options, and can feel like an anchor pulling you back. Collins calls it the debt trap, and for good reason. The interest you pay on debts means you're working for lenders rather than for yourself. This is why escaping the debt trap is essential for building wealth. The first step to tackling debt is to take stock of what you owe. Write down every debt: credit cards, student loans, car payments, mortgages, and consider 2 proven methods for repayment: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball focuses on paying off your smallest debt first, giving you quick wins and psychological motivation. The debt avalanche, on the other hand, prioritizes paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, which saves money on interest over time. Both methods are effective, So choose the one that suits your personality and financial situation best. The key is to be consistent and to channel any extra funds toward debt repayment rather than unnecessary spending. To stay out of debt, Collins emphasizes the importance of building an emergency fund. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved acts as a financial cushion when unexpected expenses arise, like car repairs or medical bills. This buffer keeps you from relying on credit cards or loans in emergencies, breaking the cycle of debt dependency. Once you've paid off your debts and built an emergency fund, the next step is avoiding lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when you increase your spending as your income grows, leading to a never-ending cycle of earning and spending without meaningful savings. Collins suggests resisting this urge and instead using any increase in income to boost your investments. By keeping your expenses in check as your income rises, you'll accelerate your journey toward financial independence. A crucial part of avoiding debt is developing a mindset that prioritizes delayed gratification. This means making purchases only when necessary and avoiding impulse buying. For larger expenses, such as a home or a car, Collins advises looking for the best deals and considering whether these purchases align with your long-term goals. Practicing delayed gratification not only keeps your spending in check, but also reinforces habits that will benefit you over a lifetime. Education is also a powerful tool in avoiding future debt. Collins stresses the importance of understanding financial products and being aware of potential traps like high-interest loans or hidden fees in credit agreements. Becoming an informed consumer makes you less vulnerable to debt and more capable of making sound financial decisions. As we wrap up, let's summarize Collins' simple path to wealth. This path is built on a foundation of frugality, wise investing, and intentional living. By following these principles, you'll develop a mindset that not only builds wealth, but also provides peace of mind and financial freedom. Remember, the goal of financial independence isn't just to have more money, it's to have the freedom to live life on your terms. Thank you for watching Wealth Master. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's the first step you're taking on your path to wealth? Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from this roadmap to financial freedom. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to a life of abundance and freedom. Stay tuned for more videos from Wealth Master, where we bring you the tools and insights to master your financial journey.